Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is your AI acronym individual giving you an AVAD, a verse a day. So, this is our AVAD from Isaiah chapter 55, verse 9. My ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. And this is the reflection from Leslie Ko, clinging to God's promises. Wendy was feeling a little left out during lunch break. Her boss had left chocolates on everyone's desks except hers. Puzzled, she lamented to a friend. Why did he leave me out? When asked, their boss explained, those chocolates are still good, but they've been around for some time. Wendy's pregnant, so I just wanted to play it extra safe. Then he laughed. As for the rest of you, the little incident became a running joke in the office. But it got me thinking about how we sometimes misread God's intentions because of our limited understanding and perception. We may even believe ourselves to be victims of unfair treatment, forgetting that God always has our best interests at heart, always. Isaiah 55 verse 8 to 9 remind us that while we may not fully understand God's thought and ways, we can be sure that they're higher than our ways. Ours are often influenced by selfish desires. His are perfect, compassionate, and righteous. So even when things don't look good for now, we can trust that God will provide what we truly need, for His loving and faithful to His own everlasting promise. Let's call on Him while He is near, knowing that He'll never leave us. Which promises of God can you hold on to when life seems unfair? Which aspects of His character give you comfort and assurance? Faithful God, you know I sometimes feel left out of your blessings and doubt your love for me. Please help me to trust in you and to hold on tightly to your everlasting promises. Magtiwala lang po tayo sa mga pangako ng ating Panginoon dahil siya ay tapat sa kanyang mga pangako na hindi niya tayo iwan ni pababayaan kailanman. To God be the glory. Once again, this is your AI na nagsasabi pong keep on trusting God. For He loves us, He will never leave us, He will never forsake us. His plans are better than our plans. And His plan is to prosper us, not to harm us. To God be the glory. Magandang buhay, mabuting tao.